Monuments of India. Here given first monuments. It is a Red Fort. Red Fort was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in New Delhi, India in the year 1648. Red Fort is the one of the famous historical monuments in India. Red Fort is popularly known as Lal Killa in Hindi. The walls of Red Fort are built using 30-meter high red sandstone and marbles. Here next picture is, it is a Qutub Minar. So Qutub Minar, which means pole in Arabic, is the tallest single tower in New Delhi, India. Okay, so Qutub Minar is 73 meters tallest. Okay, Qutub Minar is the built using the red sandstone and marbles. Qutub Minar is the historical monuments of India. Qutub Minar was built in order to celebrate the victory of Muhammad Ghori over Rajput. Now, next one is, there is a picture. So, here it is Gateway of India. The Gateway of India is situated in Mumbai, Maharashtra. It is a very beautiful monument. The Gateway of India is an arch monument built during the 20th century in Mumbai, India. So it is located in Mumbai. Gateway of India is located in Mumbai. So next monument is, this picture is given here. So it is a India Gate. It is an India Gate. Okay, India Gate is a war memorial located facing the President's House in New Delhi, the national capital of India. The monument was built to honor the soldiers of British Indian Army who died in First World War. The designer of India Gate, Edwin Lutyens, had designed 66 war memorials in Europe. So, who designed this India Gate? So, you can say Edwin Lutyens. Okay. Now, our next monument is, everyone know these monuments, right? It is a Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal. Okay. Taj Mahal is situated in Agra. Taj Mahal is made with white marble. Taj Mahal is made by Shah Jahan. Taj Mahal is made in the memory of Mumtaz, the wife of Shah Jahan. Taj Mahal is taken about 18 years to make. Taj Mahal is one of the 7 wonders of the world. Taj Mahal is a very famous monument in India and also world. Okay. Now our next monument is this. You can see in this picture. This monument is called Victoria Memorial. The Victoria Memorial is located in the city Kolkata in West Bengal. It was constructed during the British Empire in the memory of Queen Victoria. Famous Indians. So here they have given first picture, right? So whose picture? He is Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born on 14th November 1889. He was the first Prime Minister of India. He loved children a lot and they called him Nehru Chacha. Children called him Nehru Chacha. He was a very kind-hearted and loving person. Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday is celebrated as a Children's Day in India. So we are celebrating 14th November as a Children's Day. He died on 27th May 1964. Now, next one is everyone knows him, right? He is Subhash Chandra Bose. He was born on the 23rd of January in 1897. Subhash Chandra Bose was an Indian freedom fighter. He was known as Netaji. His nickname is Netaji. Subhash Chandra Bose died on 18th August 1945. Now, next one is everyone knows him, right? He is Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi had born in a Hindu family on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. The real name of Mahatma Gandhi is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was the greatest freedom fighter of India ever born. India celebrates his birthday as Gandhi Jayanti every year. He was the great follower of the truth and non-violence and supported it throughout his life. He always believed we should speak always truth. He never speak lies. In India, Mahatma Gandhi was fondly called Bapu and Gandhiji. He died in 30th January 1948. Next one is, you can guess who he is. He is Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was born in Kolkata on 8th May 1861. His father name is Devendranath Tagore. His mother name is Sharda Devi. Rabindranath Tagore started writing from a very young age. He was a very talented child. He grew up to be poet, novelist, painter, philosopher, and actor. But he is known all over the world for his wonderful poetry. He was also known as Gurudev. So, Rabindranath Tagore nickname is Gurudev. Tagore won Nobel Prize for Literature for his collection of poems, Gitanjali. He died in Kolkata, 7th August 1941. Now, next one is here the given picture. You can guess it. He is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. He had born on 23rd July 1856 in Ratnagiri district of Maharashtra. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was an Indian freedom fighter who equally participated in social and political activities. He was the first leader of Indian national movements. The Indian people gave him the name of Lokmanya, which means the one whom everyone respect. On 1st August 1920, Tilak died with some health problems. Next one is here given one picture. So she was Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi was born in 19th November 1917. Indira Gandhi had a leadership quality since her childhood. Her father, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, was the first Prime Minister of India. She died in 31st October 1984.